Another practical application question for you. Are we going to use elimination method or are we going to use substitution? It all depends on the design of the question. Let's look at this. It says, during lunch, the cafeteria sold a combined total of 160 muffins and yogurts. Okay, muffins plus yogurts combined gives you 160. The price of each muffin then is $1.50. So $1.50 for the muffins. Okay, and yogurt was $2 plus $2 for the yogurt, and that gives you a total of $273.50. $273.50. You know what I would do right off the bat? Let's get rid of the ugly decimals on this. Let's multiply this by what? Well, you know what? Even though I've got $1.50 and I've got $2 here, the smallest decimal is a tenth. So all I have to do is multiply by a 10. I don't have to multiply by 100 because then I'll get just huge numbers. Even when you look over here, I just have to move this one decimal place. So everything gets moved one decimal place. This becomes 15 for muffins. This becomes 20 for yogurts. This becomes 2,735 for a total price overall. Now, the question is, am I going to use elimination or am I going to use substitution? And you know, and honestly, I would probably, since it's all set up, look, muffins, yogurt, money, I'm going to use elimination. I'm going to multiply this guy by minus 15. So I'm going to have minus 15m plus, well, no, now minus 15y, and minus 15 times 160, which I have no clue as to what that's going to be. So I'm going to bring up the calculator, minus 15 times 160, which works out to be minus 2,400. Beautiful. Minus 2,400. So that equals to minus 2,400. And now all I have to do is add them together, canceling that, giving me 5y equals to, oh, I guess I can cancel this out. That's 5, that's 3, 4 from 7 is 3, 2's cancel out, gives me 335. Divide by 5, divide by 5, 335 divided by 5 is 335 divided by 5, works out to be 67. So I sold Y, which is yogurts, 67 yogurts. That's what it worked out to be. Now, let's figure out how many muffins were sold. Go back to the original question, which was here, because muffins plus yogurts equals to 160. I sold 67 yogurts. I should be able to figure out from there how many muffins I sold. And if you cancel this out, the muffins work out to be a whole 93. So I sold 93 muffins, 67 yogurts, and that's how you solve the muffin yogurt dilemma.